Hello, it's Maddie from Hot Springs Spas and Pool Tables 2. In a previous video, we went over the differences and features of an infrared sauna. Today, we are going to look at traditional saunas. This is the Finleo Hallmark 44 traditional sauna. Here at Hot Springs, when we talk about a traditional sauna, we like to have the dual benches, one lower and one upper. The lower bench is going to be found at the same level as the traditional heater. The heat is going to come from your traditional rock heater, and we do pair all of our saunas with a bucket and a ladle. You can pour water on the rocks of the traditional heater to create the steam. This specific heater plugs right into a 110 outlet. Most of our customers are using the sauna between 150 degrees to about 194 degrees. On Finleo's traditional saunas, you will find the Sauna Logic 2 controls on the exterior of the sauna. The cool part about these controls is they are going to also pair to your cell phone via an app. On the Sauna Logic 2 controls, on the bottom, you will find a hourglass timer. This is going to set the duration of your sauna session. Next to that, you will find a thermometer, which is going to set your desired temperature of the traditional sauna. And lastly, you will find a clock. This is your delayed timer. Check back for an additional video on how to set up these features on the control and the app. Another feature within the Hallmark traditional saunas is the chromotherapy backrest lighting. It cycles through 9 different colors and a traditional light. One of our most popular traditional saunas is the Hallmark 44 with a footprint of exactly 4 by 4. This sauna comes as a kit with a floor, plugs right into a 15 or 20 amp outlet. With no finishing work, no plumbing, and no additional electrical requirements, you can simply assemble in less than an hour and kickstart your wellness journey within your own home.